Assalamualaikum everyone. In this video we'll see what is type 3, okay, and how to solve it. Type 3. Here in the previous types, in type 1 we have only P and Q. In type 2 we have got P, Q and Z. And in type 3 we have word P, Q, X, Y. Okay, we have got P, Q and X, Y. So what we are going to do here is, first we are going to, it can be in any form, okay, P, Q can be in any form. So what we are going to do, we are going to make it turn it in this form, okay, where P and X are at one side and Q and Y are on the other side. Okay, we are writing आपके पास P, Q, X, Y है. We have got P, Q, X, Y. So we are writing P and X together and Y and Q together. Okay, so that's how, मतलब we are separating the variables. X and Y are both are the variables. We are going to separate it. Okay, variable separation we are doing here. So f1 of x comma p is equals to f2 of y comma q. It's nothing we are doing. The given equation we are just simply writing it in this form: x and p at one side and y and q on the other side. After that, what we are saying this, suppose these two values are equal to a. Suppose we are saying this, suppose let, okay, say that they are equal to a. Now what we are going to independently equate it, okay? f1 of x comma p is equal to a, and then f2 of x comma q is equals to a. Why are we doing this here is, see, my question is in terms of p, q, x, y, but my solution is in terms of dz is equals to p dx plus q dy. Okay, see here, I am differentiating p with respect to what? Dz. Matlab I'm going to integrate this. So here what's happening? P into dx. This means what? Your p should be in terms of x. Only then you can perform integration, right, with respect to x. Similarly, here if you see q, q should be in terms of y in order for you to differentiate it with respect to y. Okay, that's the reason we are writing p and x together and y and q together. Okay, and then after that we are considering this that is equal to a. Suppose we are considering this values to be equal to a, then from that we are finding p value and q value. Okay, x comma p is equals to a, y comma q is equals to a. We are saying जिसमें से p is what? P is equals to, I'm sending this x to the other side. Okay, got? I'll write it here instead. X comma p is equal to a. I am saying I need the value of p. Okay, I need the value of p. Why? Because I need to substitute in my general solution. I need to substitute it in general solution. So that's why I need p. So what is extra here? X is extra here. So this x will go to the other side. So p is equals to x plus a. I'm saying, yeah, a plus x, one in the same. Similarly with this thing, y q is equals to a. So I need only the value of q. So what happens? Y goes to the other side. So this will be q is equals to y plus a. Got it? Quickly I'll say it once again. Your equation will have p, q, x, y. If your equation has got p, q, x, y, then you know that it falls under type 3. And when it falls under type 3, this is the general solution. Okay? What we are doing in all these, we are finding the solutions, right? In type 1, type 2, type 3, Lagrange's, everything. We are finding the solutions. Okay? This will be your PDE. This is the solution to that PD. If it is in this form, okay, type 3 form. Okay, so this is the solution. dz is equals to p dx plus q dy. So if you look at the solution, here p needs to be differentiated with respect to x. So p should be in terms of what? X, right? Similarly, q is being differentiated with respect to y. So q should be in terms of what? It is being integrated with respect to y. So this should be in terms of y. Q should be in terms of y. Getting clear? For finding these p and q value, because we don't know this p and q value, what are we doing? Achha, this p should be in terms of q. I said that's why what we are doing, no matter what form it is in, we are going to convert it in this form where x and p are together and y and q are together. Okay? After that, from these two, we are saying that these two are equal to a. Then we are going to find the values of p and value of q. Simple, easy. After finding the value of p and q, we are going to substitute it in general equation and integrate it. Okay, clear, I think? So this is the type 3. Yes, in type 1 what we did? In type 1, the general solution was z is equals to ax plus by plus c, right? In type 2, the general solution was u is equals to x plus ay. In type 3, this is the general solution. You need to remember this. Okay? You will identify the question and also you need to remember this general solution. So you can perform your calculations accordingly. Okay? So now let's quickly look into an example. Here if you see, p e power y is equals to q e power x. Okay? So here if you see, I've got p term, y term, q term and x term, right? So p, q, x, y. I've got 4 different terms here. So obviously this falls under type 3. In type 3, what I need to do, I need to convert it into this form where x and p are together and y and q are together. So here if you see, this is p and this is x. So what I'll do, I'll bring this e power x to this side. Okay? Here it is multiplying, comes to this side, it divides, right? So this will be p by e power x. Similarly, along with q, what I need? I need y term. Okay? So p is here, y is being multiplied with p, right? So y goes to the other side, it divides. Simple, easy. Now p by e power x is equals to q by e power x. Now let us say it is equal to a. These two are equal to a. Let us assume this. Okay? These two things are equal to a. Let us assume this. Done, equal to a. Done. Now we are writing it individually. P by e power x is equal to a and q by e power y is equals to a. We are writing it separately. Okay? Why? In order to find these values, p and q values, so that I can substitute it in my general solution. Okay. So I need only p. What is extra here? E power x is extra here. It goes to the other side. So it will be, it is dividing here, goes to this side, it multiplies, right? So a into e power x. So same thing, p is equals to a into e power x. Same thing here. E power y is being divided, goes to the other side, it multiplies. I need only the value of q. That's the reason I'm sending this y to the other side, e power y to the other side. So this will now be what? Q is equals to e power y. So this two are your values of p and q. We got the values of p and q. Done. Now I need to substitute it in my general solution. What is the general solution? dz is equals to p dx plus q dy. So what is the value of p? A into e power x. So a into e power x dx. Done. Plus as it is. What is q value? E power a into e power y. So a into e power y. After that, what? I need to integrate this. So I'm integrating this. Integration of dz is equals to, here a is a constant, so I'll write it outside and then integrate e power x dx. Done. Plus similarly a is a constant, so I'll write it outside and then integration of e power y dy. So here dz integration is what? Z. Matlab there is nothing, so I'll consider this as 1. So 1 ka integration is what? Z. If it is integrating with respect to z. Done. Is equals to a as it is. E power x ka differentiation is e power x. Next. Plus this one. A as it is, e power y integration is e power y. After integration we'll get a constant plus c. Done. Done. So this is now my general solution. That's it. Easy and simple, right? This was my given question. This is the solution. This is the PDE given. This is the solution to that PDE. Okay? Done. Now let's see one more example. Suppose my question is yp is equals to 2yx plus log q. What I need to do here, I need to write what? P and x together and q and y together. Right? This is what I need to do in the step 1. So here if you see, I've got two y terms. One is yp and the other is 2yx. So I'll write y terms together. So this 2 plus 2yx. Here it is plus, right? So come to this side, comes this side, it subtracts. So this is yp, this is coming this side, so it is minus 2yx. Done. Is equals to, this is as it is. Done. Now if you see here, I've got one y term and one y term. So what I'll do, I'll take y common. Okay? From these two terms, I'm taking y common. So first term is agar main y common loon, so what will I be left with? Only p. So p minus as it is. From the second term, I'm taking y common. What I'm left with? Only 2 and x, right? So 2x. Done. Is equals to log q as it is. Now what? I need to write, this is done. P and x are together, but q and y are not together. So what I need to do? I need to send this y to the other side here. Right? That's what I'm doing. So p minus 2x is as it is equal to log q. This y is being multiplied, goes to the other side, it divides. Okay, so log q by y. This is q. Okay, log q by y. Done. After getting this, then we need in the second step we need to write it. I wrote it directly. So p minus 2x is equals to log q by y is equal to a. Let us suppose this, that these two are equal to a. Let us suppose this. Okay, we are going to write p minus 2 is equal to a separately, and log q by y is equals to a separately. Okay, so p minus 2 is equals to a. Done. Here y is being divided, goes to the other side, it multiplies, right? So y into a. So a into y or y into a is one and the same. Log q is equal to a into y. Done. Now here see, here I have this. Okay, here I need the value of p, right? So what is extra here? Minus 2 is extra here. So this minus 2 goes to the other side. What happens? This is minus, goes to the other side, it will be plus 2a. Plus 2x, right? Done. So p is equals to a plus 2x. Done. We got the value of p. Now what? Here I need the value of q. Okay, what is extra here? Log is extra here. So what I'll do, I'll send this log to the other side. Log goes to the other side, it becomes what? An exponent, right? Now q is equals to e power ay. Log goes to the other side, it becomes an exponent. Now what? My general solution is dz is equals to p dx plus qy plus q into dy. Okay, dz is equals to p dx plus q dy. Done. Okay, so what is the value of p? It is a plus 2x. So a plus 2x into dx. Then what is the value of q? It is e power ay. So e power ay into dy. Done. Now I'm going to integrate this. Integration of dz is equals to, here I've got two different terms. One is a and the other is 2x. ठीक है, यहाँ पे बीच में आपके पास एडिशन है, एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन रहता है, दिस विल बी काउंटेड एज टू डिफरेंट टर्म्स. Okay, so integrating a separately plus integrating 2x separately. ठीक है, so 2 constants are 2 is a coefficient, so I'm writing it outside. Integration of x dx. Done. Plus integration of e power ay dy. Right. Now I'll write it here. Dz ka integration is what? Z. Right. And here there is nothing. Here it is 1. I consider it as 1. So what happens? 1 ka integration is what? With respect to x dx it is what? 1 ka constant ka integration is x. If I am doing it with respect to x. Okay. So what is there here along with it? A is as it is. Then 1 ka integration is x. Done. Now plus 2 as it is. X ka integration is what? X square by 2, right? And that's what. Plus e power ax ka integration is e power ax. Actually e power ay ka integration is e power ay. Actually e power y ka integration is e power y. Suppose if I've got anything along with it, suppose I've got a constant, that is a, right? So e power ay ka integration is e power ay by a. Okay, so it will be e power ay by a, because this is not just y. Here this is not just y, I've got a along with it, so it will be by a. Okay, after that I'll have a constant c. So this is what your solution. Okay, this is your general solution. So this was your PDE given in the type 3. So you reduced it and you found the solution, that is this. Okay, this was your PDE given, this is the solution to that PD. I hope this is clear to you all. Type 1 is done, type 2 is done, type 3 is done. Okay, and the solutions, we are finding the solutions here. Okay, I'm repeating it over and over again. Okay, so the PDEs will be given. Formation is done, we saw that in the first video, right? Formations are done. After formation I need to find the solutions, right? So for finding solution we have got various methods. So these are the types and how we are finding the solutions. Okay, so in the next video we'll see what is type 4. Okay, thank you.